Hi, you're welcome to Coral Tales TV. I'm back with another video which I believe you will love. I want you to go to your Chrome browser and search for a platform named timebox.com. Timebox.com. What is timebox.com? Timebox is a platform that enables you to earn money performing tasks, completing survey, or rendering service and etc. on this platform. You can see get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshow, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, and answer surveys. So if you have not registered before on this platform, let me show you the main interface of Timebox. So this is it. This is the full interface. So you can see daily bonus. Each day we run a competition where the top 100 earners win a nice bonus. You can even see there is even opportunity for you to earn bonus on this platform. Start earning instantly. Apart from it, you can also earn through their referral program. So and they pay weekly on Thursday. So before I proceed, I want you to always take note about most online jobs. If you actually wanted to succeed online, it requires hard work, persistence, and dedication. If you actually wanted to achieve something legit. So that's just it about online work. So you can also have their friendly support staff. So sound good to be true. This is a good platform. That's very nice. So if you are new to this platform, you need to click on the sign up button. It will take you to the sign up page. You input your email, password, then you repeat your email. Then you identify if you are a robot or not. Then you sign up. Since I've already registered on this platform before, so I won't be doing that. I will just log in direct to my page. So I've already input my email address and password, which I automatically saved on my phone. So I'll indicate that I'm not a robot. So I will now log in direct to the platform. So this is how the platform looks like. If you check up, for the funnest part about this platform is immediately as you register, you'll be given $1 bonus. $1 for you to do whatever you wanted to do on this platform. So that's just another good opportunity for you. So I've already done little task on this platform. So I was given 0.100 cents. 0.100 cents. So these are all tasks you need to complete on this platform. You need to complete a survey, complete or click a push ad, slides show, complete research, then attempt 6 tasks, complete a click from the click tab. So that's just like you can see recent task completion in your region. These are people from my region working on this same platform and also earning some cent for their self. You can see this man earned 0.059 cent. This man also earned 0.177 cent. This man earned 0.4 cent. This man earned 0.080. So that's just it. So just complete the task. Then once your money reach the threshold given, so that is $10, then you can then withdraw. That's just how it works on this platform. Kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you will be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.